Today, we will talk about counteroffer, definition, examples, and strategies. A counteroffer is a response given to an initial offer. It means the original offer was rejected and replaced with another one. The counteroffer gives the original offeror three options: accept the counteroffer, reject it, or make another offer. Counteroffers are prevalent in many types of business negotiations, transactions, and contracts, from real estate deals to employment negotiations. When two parties get together to negotiate a transaction, one may put an offer on the table. A counteroffer is a reply to that original offer and may change the terms of the deal, including the price. Neither party is obligated to settle until they agree on a contract, which occurs once the counteroffer is accepted. This is when a binding contract is formed. The contract is enforceable against either party. A counteroffer voids a previous offer, and the entity that presented that offer is no longer legally responsible for it. A counteroffer may include explanations of the terms of the offer or requests for supplementary information. Finalizing counteroffer negotiations requires the buyer and offeror to accept the terms without any additional conditions or modifications. When you receive a counteroffer from a potential employer, you can choose to accept, decline, or negotiate it further. Strategies include accepting the lower salary, standing firm on your original offer, or meeting in the middle. A counteroffer may also be proposed by your current employer if they know you are looking to leave and have received an offer elsewhere. For example, if your current employer makes a counteroffer, you can use it to negotiate with the potential new employer. For example, a seller wants to sell a vehicle for $20,000. The buyer offers $15,000 instead. The seller provides a counteroffer, asking for $16,000. If the buyer declines, the seller cannot force them to purchase the vehicle at $15,000. In a workplace scenario, if you are interviewing for a company and receive a counteroffer from your current employer, you can choose to accept, decline, or further negotiate the counteroffer. If the counteroffer is agreeable and closes the deal, it may be worth accepting. However, rejecting a counteroffer should be done respectfully and explaining your reasons for declining the offer. Here are three key takeaways. 1. A counteroffer is the response given to an offer, meaning the original offer was rejected and replaced with another one. 2. Counteroffers give the original offeror three options: accept it, reject it, or make another offer and continue negotiations. 3. Parties are not obligated by a contract until one accepts the other's offer. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.